Take slow, bottom. Take slow, bottom. Take slow,
All right, and we got another one, y'all. I know you see the shirt. Don't suck. It's a simple rule of life, you know what I mean? My guy Andre Leclair wrote a book called Don't Suck, and I've been reading it. It's really good. A bunch of little stories, little life lessons, and stories for success. Definitely a great book. I would pick it up if I were you. Don't Suck by Andre Leclair. But in other news, we got a load. We're gonna go from Austin, Texas to Garden Grove, California, which is right next to LA. We were just out there. So about 1,300 miles. We got up. Literally my first bid, second bid I placed was to Garden Grove. The first one was to San Diego. We didn't get that one. But I kept the bid the same at $1, and then they hit me back with, I think it was like 90 cents. So we took it, and we're gonna head to Austin, Texas right now, pick up this load, and then head to California. We got us some gas here to start the day. 18 gallons, 58 bucks. Gas is $3.09, 11 cents off a gallon thanks to Upside. And Bubba wants this treat really bad, don't you? There you go. All right, killer. Well, we're about 20 minutes from our pickup. We were 30 miles away, so 30 miles of deadhead, which isn't too bad. And delivery is not till Friday, so we got plenty of time. It's 1,300 miles, so I'll do 1,000 by tomorrow morning, and then we'll do 300 tomorrow. So we'll be there tomorrow afternoon sometime. Maybe we'll stop and get some good footage somewhere. We'll see. But I'll talk to y'all in a second. Peace.
Yeah, I don't have it ready, and I'm trying to get a hold of the person that talks to them. It's gonna be done today, but I still haven't sent that way to them. They're saying it real well.
Yeah.
And we never said that it was ready. So it's kinda,
No, I hear you.
did they give you a time?
They just told me to head over here now.
Go. We can go back. Let's go back there and see exactly where they're at.
Yeah, I have 72-inch clearance. What is it?
Probably about 74.
Oh yeah.
That'd be enough. Give me a tape measure. I think they're usually 80 something. That's why I'm kind of like shocked that they just send you without any kind of weight. This is all the way to the
top, yeah. Yeah.
79. You didn't make us any higher. Like it doesn't come down any lower. It's actually hitting the frame.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
You know, if she told them wrong, then
Yeah.
it actually falls on her. But that's why I'm asking her to call me.
Y'all got anything else going out? Take anything, bro. I'm trying to get out of here.
No, I mean, but I don't know what we'll do.
Waiting to hear back from dispatch. I'm gonna get some food. What kind of food you got, my man?
Today we have sloppy joes.
Okay.
And we have hot dogs.
I'll do myself a damn sloppy Joe, man. I haven't done a
sloppy?
sloppy Joe in forever.
All right, there you go.
Since freaking school days, man.
There you go. A little nostalgia, right?
Real nostalgia.
How did you want to pay for that? It'll be $6.
I got cash for you.
You got cash?
Yeah, I got cash. Hey, Bubba, I need $6. You got $6 for me, bro? All right, thank you. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. I'm just gonna grab your wallet and take it out of there, okay? All right, watch your ear. Watch your ear.
Yeah, I retired from teaching. And for December. Okay, you gotta do something.
Here, man.
Gotta do something. Stay active. Oh, thank you. Appreciate
Thank
that.
you, bro.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, you gotta stay active. You gotta do something.
Yeah, I look at my wife. I'm like, we're both retired. It's 26 years of teaching.
26 years? You don't even look like you could do 20,
Yeah,
26 years,
we
man.
started late too. So
Get out of here.
We did 26 years.
I
What
got
kind of freight you carry? Anything or?
anything I can, man. Anything that pays. Mainly for like automotive companies, Ford, Procter & Gamble, GM, stuff like that. But picking up some art today, but they gave me the wrong dimensions on the stuff, so I can't actually haul it.
Oh, you're kidding.
It's like 10
me.
inches too tall. They could actually repackage it, honestly, but I'm waiting to hear back from them, see what they say.
So are you an independent contractor? You
Yeah, I
through
just
a
work for
broker?
myself. Yeah, I go through brokers
You go
or
through
carriers.
brokers?
I might book my own loads sometimes, yeah.
Nice.
So, yeah.
You get to call your own shots.
Yeah.
So you,
Yeah.
how far do you go? You go all the way to California?
Everywhere. If I had a spaceship and I could go to the moon, I would go to the moon.
Nice.
Just gotta make the money, man, you know?
Yeah.
So,
Do you sleep in there or do
yeah,
you?
I sleep in there, shit in there sometimes, you know? It's not glamorous, you know?
But
But
hey,
I got my dog with me,
oh, nice.
so he
Is it-
travels, you know?
Yeah. So you're not alone.
We got YouTube channels growing really fast and they're doing really good, so
Also, you've got a YouTube channel?
yeah. It's called Expedite America.
Expedite America.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, man. We're doing like 50 subscribers a day right now.
Well, I'll eat them. I said, so we'll figure it out.
All right, well, so that load got canceled and I took a nap, did some shopping at Target for stuff for the van, and we booked another load. We're going from Austin, Texas, 4 miles of deadhead, can't beat that. And then we're going, I think it's 888 miles to Des Moines, Iowa. And I got the job for $8.50, so just under $1 a mile. And I'm just glad I got something after that one got canceled. So we got a TONU for today, so I think it's gonna be like $100. We'll see. So we'll just charge it to the game, keep it moving. Let's go get to the shipper and let's get out of Austin, Texas. By the way, quick message. Don't suck. Don't do it. Andre Leclair, check out the book. It's a great book. Amazon bestseller. Bow! All right, so that load that we booked prior to this one that got canceled, I booked through a company called gtmm, and you might have heard of me talk about them before. They've really come through for me sometimes, but they've also dropped the ball a couple times. So I hit up Sanja, the first carrier I started working for. I said, hey, I need to get out of here. Can you help me out? She said yes. She got to work.
Could you,
she got us
push
this
it a
load.
little bit forward? Just a little bit.
Thank you. And for those wondering the name of this carrier, I don't mention it in videos for the simple fact it's a small company, a mom and pop company, and they get inundated with phone calls and emails, so I just don't do it. Sorry. Thank you. Y'all always wanted to ask about my bed. The reason I don't show you guys because I have it on one leg, but it folds up against the wall and then it clamps up against that ring up there, which I can show you guys another time, but that's where I sleep. If I do have 3 pallets or need more room, I can put it up and everything's good. But yeah, and then Bubba's bed. I'll show you guys Bubba's bed. Pretty much on one leg too, so. But it works, you know, I get the job done. I'm gonna redo all this when I get home. I literally got the van and went right to work. Did 8 weeks straight, and then I came home to move furniture out of my apartment, so I haven't had time to really work on it like I want to, but we'll get there. It's not a very heavy pallet, honestly. I'll go ahead and use one strap. Just for shits and giggles. How you doing, boss? Dropping off a pallet to you guys from Microsoft. All right, so I gave him the paperwork. He doesn't know where I should go, so he's gonna make some phone calls. The guy at the gate here. I'll show you guys. Right there. Get him, Bubba. Watch him.
Okay, let me give this guy a call back. I have his number already. I'll give you that back. I'll call him back. He said he'll find someone to come out and get it. He thought you didn't have that much.
All right, everybody. The breakdown of the numbers is brought to you by our official sponsor, Black Box My Car. Make sure you check out their website, link in the description below for all your dash cam needs. Make sure you check them out today, Black Box My Car. All right, so we did 874 miles, not including the 4 miles of deadhead. The job paid $810. The 14% dispatch fee came out to $113.40. We did $155 in gas. That leaves us with $541.60. But then the Upside app gave us $7.60 back, and we had that TONU for that canceled load that gave us $100. That leaves us with $649.20 for the day. Not too bad. I'm not complaining.
Is that your dog in there?
Yeah.
So cute.
You want to say hi?
Hi, Luca.
Bubba, come here.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute.
Yeah, he's a man. His name's Bubba Joe.
Oh, does he just ride around with you?
Yeah. We do like 3,000 to 5,000 miles a week cross country. So.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Bubba's place, that's cute.
Yeah, somebody. I don't know what I'd do without him.
Oh, I love that.